This ice cream is so smooth, sweet and creamy that it's hard to believe it doesn't contain a single gram of added sugar. Juicy pineapple, creamy coconut and a light rum note make it taste like a classic Piña Colada, only in ice cream form. And now I'll show you how to make it in the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe. First, I'm using a can of pineapple in its own juice. I place the blender jar on my kitchen scale and add all the fruit along with a small amount of the juice. Next, we'll need full-fat canned coconut milk. I add some of the coconut milk to the blender. I leave the exact measurements for all the ingredients in the description below the video. Then I add a ripe banana. The riper it is, the sweeter the ice cream will be. But the banana isn't just here for sweetness, it also helps make the texture thicker and creamier. I also add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It brightens the pineapple flavor and balances the richness of the coconut milk. The mixture also needs a pinch of salt. I usually turn on my electric salt grinder for just 1 second. The salt brings out the natural sweetness of the fruit and enhances the coconut flavor. And the final essential ingredient is rum flavoring. I add about 6 to 8 drops. For me that's plenty because the flavoring is quite concentrated. At this point you can also add a little shredded coconut if you like. Now I blend everything until completely smooth. By the way, I don't use any added sweetener in this recipe. For me the natural sweetness is more than enough, but make sure to taste the mixture before freezing it. It should taste sweet enough and have a bright pineapple flavor, because sweetness becomes slightly less noticeable once the mixture is frozen. If you'd like it to be sweeter, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of erythritol or any other sweetener you normally use. Now I pour the mixture into the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe pint, making sure not to go above the max fill line. I put the lid on and place it in the freezer for at least 24 hours. The next day the base is completely frozen. In my experience, bases made without added sugar, especially when they've been blended, often develop a small bump on top. That's not a problem, you can quickly level the surface with a fork. I place the pint in the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe and select the light ice cream setting. After the first cycle, the ice cream may look a little dry or crumbly. That's completely normal for recipes without added sugar. You can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of coconut milk or any other milk you like and run respin. And look at this texture! The ice cream turned out soft, smooth and incredibly creamy. The bright pineapple flavor comes through first, followed by a delicate coconut note. The rum flavoring really turns the whole thing into a dessert version of a piña colada. You can top it with a little shredded coconut, some pineapple chunks or unsweetened coconut chips. This recipe is very simple, but the flavor is wonderfully refreshing and summery. And if you'd like to try even more no-added sugar ice cream recipes for the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe, my book includes 101 simple and delicious recipes. It's available as an ebook, a paperback and a premium hardcover edition. I leave the link in the description below the video. Please let me know in the comments which no added sugar ice cream flavor you'd like me to make next.